How to transfer videos from playlist to watch later.
Welcome to Tutorials and Vlogs, Gaming and Streaming. From your very own JhaJha and Mom's Vlog, hosted by Rona.
Follow the steps.
If you find this video helpful, then please give me one like and comment down below for your suggestions. And please consider of subscribing, by hitting the bell all button, for you to get notified on my upcoming uploads. See you on my next vlogs.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.